Hey, hey, ever fuck with me, you become a fucking prey. If you're not about the money, you can stay the fuck away. And I say fuck a lot, but it's fucking anyway. I'm demonstrating bars that are hotter than Mars, and they coming in hard like precipitated cars. And I'ma go bizarre to the sound of the guitar. And if you fuck with me, don't you play that card. I'm a fucking savage, bringing all the fucking damage. So I'm not a fucking average, cause these bars bring the ravage. It's a motherfucking rap, no, it's not a fucking passage. And I'm always fully loaded, but I'm fully automatic. Gas so stank like a fucking woolly mammoth. People like to say I can't rap, I can't stand it. 10 toes down, and you gotta understand it. Beep is so hot, and you gotta fucking fan it. Never need a hook, cause I'm not a fucking bro. When I hop up on the mic, I'ma leave your ass shook. Matter what beat, man, I swear it be cooked. Writing all these lines and I read them like a book. Smoking all this dope, man, you already know. I'm only 17 and I do it like a pro. Rapping like a pro just to go and get the dough. I'ma never fuck up a hoe, but it's how it's supposed to flow. Like, I get the bag and I do. Bitch, got you some water, take a sip. Yeah, got you a sip, take a rip. Boy, got you a tap, take a trip. If you down bad, get a grip. Level up, get you some drip. Get you a beat, write a script. Get you a gun on your hill. Do this every day, it's a motherfucking habit. I be killing this beat, I'm a motherfucking stabber, and I be going off like a fully automatic AK-47, bringing all the fucking damage. Speaking straight facts on the track, no cow. Whenever I spit, it come with a snout. I'm a white boy just bumping up the trap. Ever fuck with me, we delete them like an out. Send them off the map with a motherfucking strap. Came from the south, had to learn to adapt. Showing these people how to really fucking rap, man. I'm top tier, I look like a motherfucking Mac. Show some respect, you can get some back. Feeling real tipsy up off of this jack. Working real hard, man, I would never slack. In the studios, just making these plaques. Sipping on drink, what the fuck you think? Started from the low, I'ma up my rank. Why does my mind always like to go blank? When my flow so hot, it'll make you faint. Everything I fake, motherfucker, no I ain't. Never be a snake, motherfucker, no I can't. Smoking on dank, but you know it stank. I'm about to blow like a motherfucking tank. Came from the dirt, now I'ma go berserk. Stuck to the shit like a stain on a shirt. Writing all these lines, just putting in work. Ever fuck me over, then we hit him with a murk. Hit him with a murk, meaning you are gonna hurt. Gonna need a nurse, so we put you in a hearse. Drop it off a cliff, then watch your car burst. Killing this beat with every single verse. Ever threaten me, we gon' let your body ride. That's on sight, yeah, right up on the spot. Everything we play, motherfucker, no we not. I'ma stack this money till it's bigger than a yacht. Be so fire, that shit be so hot. Sipping on drink while I'm smoking this pot. So damn high, feeling like an astronaut. Everything I make, man, I swear it's just a pop. Yeah. Let me tell y'all something. All you motherfuckers that be saying I can't rap, man, you know, all you said was fucking cap.
Kill switch, motherfucker.